Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. It is April 21st, 2025. So let's start this day. Morning checklist. Internal state check. How am I feeling right now? I'm feeling a little bit tired. The main reason is like 5 to 6 hours sleep. Ideally, like 6 hours is like the minimum sleep. So kind of like right? So we'll figure it out from here. But identity and integrity, my sacred commitment, following my rules and commitments. Who am I being today? Professional trader. What will I do today? Follow plan and rules. Why do I trade? For freedom of time and mastery of the skill set. What is the current mission? To build a multi-million-dollar trading business over the next 10 years. Intention to trade is following my rules and commitments. What do I want from the market? Nothing. Today's personal goal. Capital preservation. Accounts under trading 1. Max loss is 500. 3 to 500. I say 500 today because this is a different account. So for me, I can be a little bit more aggressive on this account. But the other account that I have is very conservative, just to play with the risk on both these different accounts. So let's go to the daily journal. What's the higher time frame saying? Are we above or below pre-market midpoints? We're actually below both of them. So if we click on this real quick, we're below midpoint of today, pre-market, and then midpoint of Fridays. So we're below both, and then we're below this gap right here. So are we rejecting or reclaiming the zones? We're actually rejecting them. So reject them. Where are we gonna open? Where's the likelihood? We're probably gonna open below both of them. So the bias for today is short only. Now, I'm not saying that we can't go higher, but my main focus is to get into a short trade. That's the main focus for today, and that's what we're gonna do. So what are the trade ideas? The trade idea is pretty straightforward. A rejection of cloud number 1, and the cloud number 1, if I can pull it up for you guys, and this is what I mean as clouds, like EMA clouds. I just use TradingView just to pull up the clouds. NinjaTrader doesn't really use them. I don't know why. It's kind of unfortunate, but we'll make do with what we got. So if market comes back up here, we're going to reject this, take the short position. I personally would like to see the opening come up here and then close below it, and then I'll kind of confirm that the trade will start working. There is trade number 2, which is this higher cloud, which it has only done it in pre-market twice, well, actually 3 times. So, but the trend is lower, right? You have lower high here, lower high here, lower high here. So lower low here, lower low here, lower low here, and that's just where the trend is going. We're also like 1% down today. So come back to this. And the amount of size that I'm going to do is 2 to 4 contracts. The total risk of the account is going to be 1%. So yeah, I mean, we had what? Let me see if I can pull up the daily chart for everybody real quick. I want to do this in a way where, let me duplicate this one instead. All right. We have like we have 2 gaps. Eventually these will get filled. I don't know when, but they will get filled. We also have this support right here and this resistance right here. So this is like a little channel that's being formed. So typically when a channel happens, the market will bounce back and forth, and it's also earnings week. So, but everything's kind of pointing to the downside for now. That could possibly change today or sometime this week, depending, right? We also have this 50 EMA that's finally crossing over the 500 EMA. 500 and 200 EMAs are long-term moving averages, so basically that's the average price over a period of 200 days or 500 days. And over the course of 50 days now, typically when a shorter EMA crosses over, it's actually a bearish signal. Now we need to see like bearish closes in order for this to actually go down. So that's kind of not a good thing for the market overall, but you know, is what it is. And I think on the weekend video, and I don't know why it's not pulling up. This is probably okay, cool. This was the low of April 7th, and this also goes where I think November, December, where we actually finally had this massive bull run for 2024. If we somehow get here, that'll just wipe out all of the bull run for 2024. Which, I mean, a 3-year-old could say that's not good, right? So, yeah, I mean, I'm not saying that's going to happen, but it is a possibility, right? Because in this market environment right now, this whole Trump shit is just fucking insane. So that's my game plan for today. It's pretty much, it's a really short video. It's nothing too crazy. It's Monday, you know, take it slow. Don't try to kill it. We want to preserve our capital as much as we can. So let's do it.